Wien Mitte is a project of widespread public attention. It may even be said to be of a glamorous character. At one of the most important hubs of Vienna, an immediate propinquity of the historical city centre, a highly modern building of renowned architectural quality is being erected. Up to now, Wien Mitte is the largest project development in the city centre of Vienna. As far as ÖSTU-STETTIN is concerned, all deadlines and budgets are met. The expertise of ÖSTU-STETTIN stands for the functional quality of the complex building above Vienna's most frequented railway station. The challenge lies in the combination of a high-capacity junction of public transport network with a state-of-the-art architecture on the surface. And work has to be done without disturbing the busy subsurface traffic of 2 underground and 5 city rapid lines. In the end, the surface structure will rise up to 70 meters above street level. Due to efficient scheduling, the construction work proceeds with stunning speed, following the vivid rhythm of a pulsating metropolis. Modern ferroconcrete allows the inventive interaction of different forms of architecture. Once completed, no one would guess that reinforcement bars, twice the mass of the Eiffel Tower, are incorporated in the building. The rebar cages are only visible before being embedded in the concrete. Up to 1,000 cubic meters of concrete are cast in situ per day, especially when a complex floor system is under construction.
It only took me 3 months, then I was back on my feet. And then another 3 months, my music back in the streets. I've been grinding for years, now Trevor's back on the beats. And yes, my pen feeling funky, so suckers better retreat. I compete with myself and what I did yesterday. Now that's a whole lot of hustling, just for one day. Anyway, that's my life, working hard and through the night. Shirt and tie in the morning and wear a hoodie at night. My intellect is superb, classified as a nerd. I get down like you want, so certified is my word. If I say it, I do it. You had a chance and you blew it. So watch me shine, watch me grind. Yeah, I'm getting to it. See, you ugly when you hate, so step up.
Finally, we've managed to do it. The last work is complete. There have been no accidents and we beat the deadline by 20 hours. This is what we expected and this is how we want it done.
ÖSTU-STETTIN usually claims that the company is able to build everything and realize any sort of construction, on the surface or underground. It truly does construction unlimited. With each new task assigned, ÖSTU-STETTIN pushes forward technical and personal development, reaches new heights, or expands into formerly unknown depths. ÖSTU-STETTIN specialized in building pathways and junctions, creating links between the past and the future, between technology and the quality of life. And, above all, ÖSTU-STETTIN excels in building connection between people. When the sun goes down on the construction site in Vienna and cranes and workers come to rest, somewhere on the globe there is a new challenging project waiting to be realized